everyone. Good morning. Here from Berlin. Okay. Let's take a short technical review about EURUSD. Yesterday, as you can see, the price rise further. Okay. What you have to do first in the morning, go on daily time frame, okay, daily chart time frame, and take a look where the last candle is forming, okay, where is it located, okay, which is the first resistance below this last candle is forming and the first resistance above it. So the first resistance is 0.814, okay. The first support is 0.733, okay. Now go back to M30 chart time frame. What can you say? Can you watch this on this time frame? You can check for this support 0.7331. That is a support, okay. That is also a swing, okay. In particular, if you want to get the exactly swing, okay, you have to check for this beautiful pin bar, this candle, okay. The low is 0.735, okay, and we move the support evidence, okay, with this line, this black line, to 0.735, okay. Now, if hourly, okay, we shall have a black candle closing below 0.730 and 5, okay, hourly, okay, a black candle closed on hourly chart time frame below 0.730 and 5, okay, the price will fall further, okay. So let's to check which is the target and the support. If hourly candle will close below this last swing low at 0.735, you have to check previous swing. Okay, take a look. This is 1.06946. Okay. Okay. If you check above this swing low, which is the support, you can find the support here 0.703. And we highlight it with a black line. Okay. So go back again. Here is it another target. Okay. Then the last probably for today is 0.649. Okay, 0.649 is okay, so you can check for a target. You can put a target here. Okay. The last swing high was 0.660. Okay. So this is another target. Below we have this 0640, okay, and 06356, okay. So clearly, okay, what we can say, if the price hourly will fall and close below 0,730 and 5. The next target on downside are 0,703, 0,683, 0,6 and 60, 0,653, and 0. Okay, this bad scenario with an hourly black candle will close below 0,730 and 5 involve in a very good NFP data today. Okay, so if we have a very NFP data, a good data, the price will fall toward 0,6365. Okay, support will be 073, 0683, 06 and 60, 0653, and 0636. On the contrary, it may happen, okay, that the price will rise toward 0814, okay, before NFP data, okay. We have a buy stop at 0775, 77 and 5. Okay, 07, 70, 67 and 5 is a buy stop. If we hit this resistance, price should rise until 079508, okay, before falling again, because it's a big resistance 08 figure, okay. In final, let's check where M21 period moving average is this morning. 21 period moving average. Okay, the price is above this 21 period moving average on M30 chart time frame, and also in the H4 chart time frame, the price are above 21 period moving average. Okay, remind that as long as the price will be above 21 period moving average on H4 chart time frame, okay, the trend is at upside. Okay, only below 21 period moving average, the price have a negative trend. Okay, so this morning the price is above 21 period moving average on every chart time frame, also hourly. Okay, remind this line 07, 77 and 5 is a buy stop. if we hit this price, we can have a rally for about 30 pips at upside with a target at 0.79395. Okay, let's see and wait.